Now here comes the cable part. You can get them cheap on eBay. uh, these power cords, uh, and a TP-Link network adapter. This is auto configurable, and VGA cable if you want to use uh, computers like these on some far distance, uh, and the HDMI cable, I believe so. These are both of these are 3 meters long, and some network cable which are cat 6. Remember I told you that you cannot use cat 5 or something like that, because the amount of data that we want to be, you know flowing between the computers when we are doing rendering, uh, it needs to be fast. So this is the router for the internet. This adapter will be used to connect the machine with these cables. So let me just try to plug these machines and put the just basic setup for you guys, so you can see how to plug the cable. uh, just a small note, I just want to show you guys the power plug for this, and the graphics outputs, which are three HDMI and one display port and one DVI link, and the USB ports, and the network cable uh, port which I will be using for the network.